Hi, this is Melanie, your early literacy librarian, and this video is to help with parents that are looking for a stack of picture books to read to their child about the subjects they love. So here I am on the library's website, and wanted to point out too, if your child likes looking for books themselves, we do have this link to the kids catalog. I'm not going to press on that right now, but what that shows, if I was to, well, why don't I just do it anyway? Um, what that does is shows images, and your child can select the subjects themselves. Here it shows various books, and they can make choices. And I believe they just are showing that the books that are in. So that is that if your child was doing it. But if you wanted to deep dive, I actually suggest going into the catalog this way. So I can write in my search item right here in Dragons, click on catalog, and the adult catalog comes up with 314 items. Now, some of these are books and some of these are ebooks and DVDs. We're looking for picture books today, so I'm going to go down here to collection. And this shows you that there are dragon books in lots of different places. Another word for picture book is easy. That's the library word for picture book, so I want to click on that. And it looks like there are 46 items. Shows those that are checked out and those that are available. I can place holds for the things that are checked out, and that'll get put on my hold list. But if I wanted to have books, the ones that are available, I can get those right away. So those are the ones that I would probably be looking for. And so I can scroll down page after page and look for a good dragon book. If you want to find out more information about it, you can click on it. It gives you the summary, tells you a little bit about it, the reading level and various things. One thing I wanted to point out, though, that under the subjects, it gives you all sorts of different subjects, and you might deep dive into from one subject to another. I know I do. So say I have already made selections for dragon books, but now I want to go to friendship. Friendship might be a good subject for my child, and I want to get a bunch of friendship picture books. So again, I clicked on that, but it gives everything in the library, which is over 1,000 items of various things. I want to go over here to collection, and I want to go to easy. And then say, well, we've checked out a bunch of friendship books before. I want to find the new ones. So one way to do that is to click under new titles, and it's showing, wow, we have, in the last year, there's been 29 different friendship books. Friendship is a popular subject, obviously, with children's books. And so maybe you'll find some that you haven't seen before. So that might be a great way to search for those books. Another way to do it, I'm going to go back here. I'm going to remove the ones from the last year. Now, I will say some of these are brand new books, and some of these are replacement books. As you'll see, Maisie Cleans Up is listed in the friendship book. It's not that new. It's from 2002. It's probably a replacement book that was purchased again in the last year. So I'm going to remove this, go back to this, and also wanted to point out that besides looking for new titles, you can look under publication year, and it will show all the books that were published in a particular year. So if you're looking for a new book or a oldie but goodie, that's another way that you can make choices. So once you have your stack of books and you've deep dived into the different subjects, this one's friendship and birds. So I'm going to click on birds, 79 books about birds. Once you've made all your selections, then you can contact the library for picking up your items, and you can arrange for curbside service. So that is how I would go about selecting a stack of picture books by subject for my child. I might deep dive, or the other way is just to go and type in a subject that your child might be interested in, and that's a perfectly fine way to do it as well. There'll be more tricks and tips videos on searching the library's catalog, so stay tuned.